Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all of you for the environmental classes. Today's class is for the 11th. The topic that we are going to discuss is the modes of environmental awareness. What are the different modes of environmental awareness? Public awareness about environment is meant to help social groups and individuals to acquire a basic understanding of environment and its associated problems. Educationists and environmental specialists have repeatedly pointed out that any solution to the environmental crisis will require environmental awareness and understanding to be deeply rooted in the education system at all the levels. Number first is the environmental awareness at primary school level to impart elementary knowledge about the environmental issues and problems. Second, relevance of real life situations of environment at secondary school level for understanding of environmental problems. Number third, management of natural resources at senior secondary level to develop skills to tackle the management problems of natural resources. Fourth, environmental issues and sustainable development at college and university levels for experimentation and solution to the environmental problems and methods for the conservation of natural resources. Number first is the environmental awareness through adult education. The aim of adult education should be to create a collective action in solving the environmental problems. A new type of complex environmental problems require understanding and hence a new approach to adult education. A new approach should be relevant with regard to being able to fulfill the established environmental objectives. For effective adult education, functionaries have to build rapport with the support organizations. There is an urgent need to safeguard the environment to save the future generation. It requires understanding the immediate and the real need of UDCs by initiating a local process through adult education programs. It means environmental awareness by promoting low cost resources conservation, regeneration of ecosystem of villages, and stimulation of environmentally sound surroundings. Number second, environmental evidence through mass media. Mass media can play a vital role in creating a people's awareness about environment and conservation of natural resources. It can serve this purpose by means of its multi-channel, regional, and network services comprising programs such as talks, interviews, plays, and documentaries. The electronic media can identify and bring to a halt forces affecting the natural and even the man-made environment. It matters much how the public mind can be mobilized to reduce the pollution and promote the environmental quality. Establishment of eco clubs. National Green Corps, a movement of eco-friendly children, have been spreading awareness through environmental protection among the children. Under this program, more than 70,000 eco clubs are set up all over India, covering about 150 schools district-wise. Young students not only learn about the environment but participate in the field activities in and around their schools. Establishment of green belts. Under this program, green plantation is done along the public utilities such as roads, railways, channels, canals, and private housing complexes, especially in July under the One Mahotsav program, Mass Tree Plantation Festival in India. Number 50 is the campaign through the state transport. Under this program, state transport department propagates the environmental awareness message through slogans and pictures displayed in their buses. So these are the main ways through which we can spread the mass awareness about the environmental protection or the awareness.